In this video, I'm going to show you how to be making 1000 Naira every single day with just your smartphone. Now, as you can see on my screen, you can see that today I have made 919 Naira on this platform. Then my last withdrawal was 1000 Naira, and you can see my total withdrawal is 11,000 Naira. So I'll be showing you how to make 1000 Naira every day with just your smartphone without any stress. So let me show you the things you're going to be doing in order to make money on this platform, and at the end of this video I will show you how you can register for yourself on this platform and make good money for yourself. Now you can see this is what you'll be doing in order to earn money. You can see it on your screen. These are things you do for free. These are things you do for free. You do these things for free, but this platform is going to pay you to do all of these things you are seeing on my screen. You can see them. You can see them. So this platform is legit, and you can withdraw your money once you reach 1000 Naira. Now also on this platform, the registration fee on this platform is just 1000 Naira. 1000 Naira is just the registration fee in order to allow you to perform these micro jobs you are seeing here. You do all these things for free, but this platform is going to pay you for doing all these things you are seeing on my screen. So how do you get started on this platform? Check the link in the description of this video in order to get started. Tap the link in the description of this video. There's a link I will drop there now in the description of this video. There's a link there already, so just tap on the link and register for yourself with just 1000 Naira. This platform is very legit, and I've been using it for some time now, and I can tell you that it is working well. So if you find this video to be useful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to this channel for more tech tutorials, for more finance tutorials too.